Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and I want to take this opportunity as we are already at the Christmas week of 2019. A Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays to everybody that actually over the years and over the months and weeks have been following my videos on my channel. I want to wish you and your family all the best, and of course renew my commitment for 2020 with more videos and hopefully as interesting as possible for the content that you like and that you want, and we'll try to make it even better year after year. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas everybody. Please stay safe and take care. Don't go over on good things in life, and hope that you have a good one with your family. So Merry Christmas everybody. Stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.